this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Rawr. Extreme noses pounces on you, ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your bolts from across the floor. Noses your Nicky Wicky till day till day, hee hee. Unzips your baggiest pants, oh baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby Taylor for your bulgy wulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likey suzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Pause on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me, please. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. He don't see it coming.
Thank you! Fucking finally!
Yay.
Let's go!
Beaner.
Let's go.
I love beaners.
Thank you, jrocks.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna say it.
Where is that, man?
I'm gonna say it.
Say it!
Let's go! No, don't leave.
What?
I'm guessing 8K.
Yeah, a little over.
How much is that?
Like 8.5. I had so many attempts on the
Dude,
buff
look
version.
at me go, bro.